Imagine a tablet that's not just for entertainment, but powerful enough to replace your laptop. Could the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 series finally be that device? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from its stunning AMOLED displays and powerful new chipset, to the price and features that might surprise you. Stick around, because the Ultra model takes things to a whole new level. The Tab S11 family comes in two versions, the standard 11-inch Tab S11 and the massive 14.6-inch Tab S11 Ultra. Both rock slim aluminum frames, a minimalist look. And now something rare for tablets: IP68 dust and water resistance. That means these tablets are not only premium, but also ready for real life. Samsung is known for displays, and this year is no exception. The Tab S11 features an 11-inch AMOLED with a crisp to 560/160 resolution and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The Ultra pushes boundaries with a breathtaking 14.6-inch AMOLED, nearly edge-to-edge, with 2960/1848 resolution. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or multitasking, these screens are built to impress. Under the hood, both tablets are powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip built on a 3nm process, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB storage on the Ultra. Performance should feel closer to a high-end laptop than a traditional tablet. Add support for expandable storage, and you've got serious flexibility for work and play. The Tab S11 carries an 8400 mAh battery, while the Ultra packs a huge 11600 mAh cell. Both support 45-watt fast charging, meaning you'll spend less time plugged in and more time creating, streaming, or gaming. For cameras, the Tab S11 gets a 13-megapixel rear and a 12-megapixel front shooter. The Ultra upgrades to dual rear cameras and a refined front setup for crisp video calls. Combine that with quad AKG-tuned speakers, and you're getting an entertainment experience that rivals many laptops. Both models launch with Android 16 and Samsung's new One UI 8, optimized for big screens. There's full DeX mode support, improved multitasking, and of course, the S Pen for note-taking and creative work. But the biggest change: Galaxy AI integration. From real-time translation with Gemini Live to AI writing tools and image editing, the Tab S11 is designed to boost productivity in smarter ways. The Tab S11 series launches right after Samsung's event on September 4, 2025. Pricing starts around $799 for the Tab S11 and goes up to $1,619 for the Tab S11 Ultra 1TB version. In Europe, expect prices from around €899 and higher for the Ultra Premium. Absolutely, but Samsung is aiming at users who want a true laptop replacement in tablet form. So, here's the question: is the Galaxy Tab S11 series the future of tablets, or is Samsung asking too much for too little change? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget, more exciting tech breakdowns are coming soon, right here on TechTalk.